I quit. Why we often say, I quit? Why do we always quit when we have a goal? We have something greater that we need to be doing. Why we always quit? Reasons that I learned as we always listen to ourselves if we don't have confidence. Sometimes when negative thoughts crawl out of our mind, we listen to it and we justify the reasons on why we quit. I think that's the main reason. We justify things to the reasons that are not really good for us. I'm not saying that don't listen to your mind, but I'm saying that you must first make sure that is that really what you want to do? Do you really want to quit? Do you really want to waste your time on doing this and just quit and just do whatever you want to do that is not good for you? I'm I'm not on my goal, but I know that I have a lot of negative thoughts leading up to this. Managed to clear them out, and not listen to it. The things that I've done are make things possible. Don't ever expect things to be done so easily. Make sure you research. Make sure you know that things do not happen that magically. You need to set your goals clear. The goal, the short-term goals, the long-term goals must be clear. For the short-term goals is very important. It's like just do it day by day. So just finish a little workout day by day. Just finish it and don't listen to negative thoughts. Then the other one is listen to your body. If you don't feel good, so just take some rest and go at it again. No? Listening to your body is very important because you have to make sure that you're not just being lazy. If you're going to start a journey, just tell yourself that things will come. Things things or anyone will try to stop you from doing what you want. So yeah, expect that so that when the time comes, you will not quit.